Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix it's time to close your Instagram app error on your Android. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error it's time to close your Instagram app on your Android or iPhone, then I will show you how to fix this issue. In this, first what you have to do, you have to just open the Play Store, tap on the search, then search for Instagram. If your Instagram app is not up to date, then update it from here. After updating, just open the settings, scroll down, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search, then search for Instagram, tap on the Instagram, you will find your storage and cache, tap on this, once tap on clear cache and tap on clear storage. When you tap on delete, this app's data including files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Means if you have any saved video or any saved settings, all the settings and these videos will be removed from this, not your posted videos, only the saved videos that will be deleted and your account will be logged out. After that you have to sign in again and check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still you are facing the issue, then what you have to do, you have to just wait for some time, at least 24 hours, and check. After 24 hours still you are facing the issue, then open your Instagram app, tap on the profile icon. You have to first take the screenshot of that error. After that open your Instagram, tap on the profile icon, tap on 3 horizontal lines in top right side corner, scroll down, under more info and support you will find one option help, tap on the help, tap on report a problem, tap on report a problem, tap on include and continue. Here you have to attach that screenshot and you need to type the matter. You need to type the matter: hi Instagram team, I am facing the issue with my Instagram account. It is showing as it's time to close my Instagram account error. Please find the attachment and do the needful. Just tap on upload and attach your screenshot. After that tap on send button. After sending you have to wait minimum 24 to 48 hours. After waiting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix it's time to close your Instagram app problem on your Android or iPhone. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.